Oh, hi guys, here we go. I don't know what type of planes these are, but I saw them in the airfield nearby me. I thought I'd have a quick look and film them. Anybody knows what type of planes they are, just drop me a comment. There's two here actually, there's one here. If you look at the top, you can actually sit on top of that wing in that seat, if you're daring enough. There's the other one, look. I can't walk around them because you're not allowed to walk onto the airfield, plus it's near the fueling station, so I do the best as I can. Beautiful aircraft. They actually flew over our house earlier. I wasn't expecting them to land in the airfield down the road from us. Yeah, nice aircraft. I wouldn't like to sit in that top seat though. And at the back there, I'll try and zoom in because I'm using my phone, guys, so I'm doing as best as I can. I believe that one's a Chipmunk. I filmed that one in the past. If you look at my YouTube channel, scroll a little bit down, you see it on there. It's called a Chipmunk, that one. I'll go back to the other ones. So I'm just playing my phone today, guys, because I wasn't expecting these. I'm not quite used to the phone, I'm used to the camera. The camcorder. But yeah, here you go, guys. Something for you to look at. As I said, if you know what type of planes they are, you know, just drop me a comment. It's very rare for aircraft. There you go, guys.